The case for Modern Standard Arabic. Widespread use. Modern Standard Arabic is the standardized form of Arabic that is used in formal settings, such as in news broadcasts, official documents, and literature, and is widely understood throughout the Arabic-speaking world. This makes it a useful starting point for learners who want to communicate with a broad audience or engage with Arabic media. Foundation for dialects. Modern Standard Arabic is the foundation for many of the dialects spoken in different regions of the Arabic-speaking world, so learning MSA can provide a strong foundation for later studying and understanding specific dialects. Academia. Modern Standard Arabic is the language of instruction in Arabic-speaking countries, and is commonly taught as a second language in universities and language schools around the world. Learners who wish to study Arabic for academic or professional purposes will find it helpful to start with Modern Standard Arabic. Cultural enrichment. Learning Modern Standard Arabic can provide insights into Arabic culture and history, as many classical texts and literary works are written in this form of Arabic. Personal interest. Finally, learners may simply be interested in studying Modern Standard Arabic for personal enrichment, to gain a deeper understanding of the language and its significance in Arabic-speaking societies. Learning Modern Standard Arabic is a valuable and rewarding pursuit that can open up many opportunities for communication, cultural exchange, and personal growth. Start today with Enlighten Us Arabic.